Sometimes changes occur to the ONTAP Select cluster without using the deploy utility. The deploy utility configuration database will become unsynchronized with the cluster configuration. You should perform a cluster refresh to update the deploy database. A cluster refresh will clear up conditions such as nodes in an unknown state, or if the cluster is in a degraded state. To perform a deploy cluster configuration refresh, log in to the deploy utility. Click the Clusters tab. If there are multiple clusters, select the cluster you want to refresh. This particular cluster is in sync, but we will refresh it anyway. Click the gear icon and select Cluster Refresh from the drop-down list. Enter the appropriate cluster admin credentials. Click the Refresh button. The Events tab will show the cluster refresh operation status. The cluster refresh event was successful. Click the Clusters tab and select the cluster. The last cluster refresh date and time will be displayed. You should back up the deploy configuration data once any cluster refresh operation is performed.